Yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy Donnn here today, and damn, somebody just called me. My bad, y'all. But I'm on the way to get my first wash from Vinyl Bros, man. Cause my car really needs it. Y'all seen it? It's dirty. So I'm on the way right now to get my first wash with the wrap. So y'all stay tuned, man. All right, y'all just pulled up. So Corey and Anthony is about to get to this truck, man. Shout out to them again. Hooking me up with this wash because I really need it. So y'all stay tuned. Ain't pretty dirty, man. With the color of this wrap, y'all, it's kind of hard to tell that it's dirty, but trust me, take my word, it is very dirty. But this gold chrome, it kind of blends in with the dirt, because you know dirt is almost gold itself, if you want to say, but or you know, it's just a very light color, so it's kind of hard to tell this thing is dirty, but trust and believe it is dirty. You can kind of tell from the rims. But let's get straight into this wash, y'all. Halfway through the process. Already looking different. Smell good too, y'all. From gold to white. Almost got y'all, but it's the first wash it's ever had. It's done by the greatest people to ever do it, Vinyl Bros. So don't forget to, check in on that stuff. See, like and subscribe, baby. West side already done, y'all. Y'all see the dirt just pop right off. Didn't even have to wipe it. Look at that. Shining again. Can't wait to put this thing back on the road, y'all. The job is complete. It looks so good in the sun, y'all. So nice in the sun. Look at it. Whew. Alright, YouTube, just not leaving. As you can see, they did a damn good job, man. My truck look totally different. It's shining. So now it's time to hit the streets, hopefully get some more subscribers, because it's definitely about to turn heads now. It was a little dull at first because of all the dirt and stuff, y'all, but now it's good to go. It's almost like a mirror now. So hopefully I don't blind nobody. But they also let me know that I should probably wash it after this first wash. I should probably wash it at least every 3 days. So probably like on a Monday and Friday, So that's pretty much some info for me on upkeep, and info for you guys as well if you have a wrap or if you're looking to get a wrap. That suggests that I wash it at least 3 times. Every 3 days, I meant. Once a week at the least. So, appreciate it for y'all tuning in today. Make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe button, man. And also check in the Vinyl Bros and all their product. And, because they do some real good work, y'all. Y'all should definitely check into that. And y'all just stay tuned for more content, man. Jeep Beach coming soon. The video should be dropping next week. So, make sure y'all subscribe. We out here, man.